sure her nipple's full.
Her nipple.
Her nipple's full of milk. So she don't get no air.
Hi, but would it be bad if she got air?
Well, sometimes she could end up.
End of what? Grandma, that's pathetic.
I know it.
End of what?
And you're doing video too.
Yeah, what's your point? Yeah. End of... Well, because you don't even look more ridiculous like that. She could end up what? You can answer me.
No,
She could end up with the hiccups. I don't know. She's a bad baby. Ah! Let's go take a tour.